सबसे पहले मैं फर्स्ट ईयर और सेकंड ईयर के स्टूडेंटों का धन्यवाद करता हूं कि आप सभी ने ऐसी विकट परिस्थिति में भी अपने सीनियरों के विदाई का जो तरीका निकाला है और ये बहुत ही काबिल तारीफ है। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि आज थर्ड ईयर के स्टूडेंटों को इस कॉलेज में 3 वर्ष पूरे हो गए हैं और जो है जिस काम को करने के लिए यहाँ आए थे लगभग जो है उसका पूरा करने के अंतिम चरण में है। मुझे आज इस बात का कि बहुत खुशी है और थोड़ा सा दुख भी है। देखिए, दुख इसलिए है क्योंकि आज ये सभी हमें और आप सभी को छोड़कर चले जाएंगे और खुशी इसलिए भी है कि ये सभी यहाँ से खाली हाथ नहीं जाएंगे। ये सब इस कॉलेज से, इस महाराजा अग्रसेन कॉलेज से मैथमेटिकल साइंस की या बीएससी मैथमेटिकल साइंस की डिग्री लेकर जाएंगे जो इन्हें जीवन में इनके लक्ष्य को प्राप्त करने के लिए अपने मुकाम पर पहुंचाएगी। मैं इनके उज्जवल भविष्य की कामना करता हूं। थैंक यू।
My dear third year students, hope you all are well and like me waiting for the college to open again. But due to the coronavirus, our null hypothesis was not true and we have committed a type 2 error. Yeah, with level of significance 5% or 10%. But you are always a part of our college and we will always remember you. And I pray to God that you all get successful and always remain happy just like you were in your college days. And you will touch new heights in your life and career. All the best.
Dear students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine and safe. Due to lockdown, farewell party could not be arranged for the third year students this year. This is tough time for all of us because of the lockdown. I hope that everyone is staying at home and preparing for the exam. I wish good luck for the exam and I wish all of you best of luck for your bright future. May God bless you and may all your dreams come true. Please stay at home and take care of yourself.
गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू, ऑल थर्ड ईयर मैथमेटिकल साइंस स्टूडेंट। आप सभी को मेरी तरफ से आने वाले फ्यूचर के लिए हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आप सभी और भी मेहनत कीजिए जैसे पीछे 3 साल में आप सबने किया है और आगे अपना फ्यूचर बहुत अच्छा बनाइए। जहाँ भी मेरी सहायता की ज़रूरत हो मुझसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो और सभी को मेरी तरफ से एक बार और हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
Hello students, hope all of you are fine and preparing for your exam. My message for all of you is that believe in yourself. You have the ability to do everything, whatever it is easy or hard. So be confident and do work hard to achieve your goal. Best of luck for your future. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Stay home, stay safe.
Hello friends, good day. Now the time has come to say goodbye to all the final year students of the college. Today I, on the behalf of the Department of Mathematics, would like to wish every final year student of the college and the student of the Department of Mathematics in particular a very successful life ahead. Students, these are difficult times, and difficult times, remember, always produce great people. And you all are going to be great persons someday. And the time that we spend together in the college are very special to each one of us. And each one of us going to remember this time for a long, long time to come. And this is your college. And when you pass out of college, if you want to come back to the college to meet anyone in the college, please feel free to come back and do that. And each one of us will be very happy to help you out. And always remember to respect your elders, set your goals and go after the goals, and be a successful person. With this word, I'd like to conclude here. Thank you very much.
Dear students, hope all of you are well and staying safe in these days. Wishing all of you for your bright futures. May you all be successful and happy in your life. Thanks to all.